Please like this video and subscribe. It helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Hi road trippers, this is Travel Towner, and today we have a short trip in North Carolina. We'll be traveling on Joe Kerr Road, starting at Marvin School Road, and then traveling west to where the road ends at Marvin Road. Don't forget, please subscribe. It's a free way to help these videos keep coming. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.